In this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss and take profit on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are logged in into your TradeLocker account over here, and you can see, of course, the charts and everything on my screen, you have to actually go over here to the right-hand side where you can go ahead and start selling and buying. And if you want to use stop loss and take profit, click on this button over here, which will basically pop everything up. And as you can see over here, it gives you the option to set a stop loss and take profit. Now, you can do this both for market and pending orders, as you can see. And then you simply have to mark that you want stop loss enabled and take profit as well. And then here you have to set the price, the ticks, the P&L, and then the balance as well in percentages over here. Now, after you're done with that, here you can also select how many lots you want to buy or how much USD you want to buy. You can switch between the two. And then whenever you are ready, you can click on the buy button down here and you've successfully set a stop loss and take profit order. Now, if I actually close this down over here, you'll be able to see that the SL and TP are enabled over here, which means stop loss and take profit are enabled, but you can also cancel them like this, or of course turn them back on by clicking on that. If you'd like to modify them, always you can go ahead, make sure you click on this arrow to show you more settings, and you can set everything in here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.